this way.
What's a baby bird?
Basketball.
Huh?
Basketball, get it.
Where?
You see the fucking basketball right there? Are you that blind?
Oh, I see it. It's kind of flat.
What? Something's been eaten out of it. Guys, do you know what that is?
I don't know. Leave the comments to see how this ball got eaten. Oh, see it bounce. No, just to bounce a little bit. Here, take this. See what you see.
Can guys folks see my point of view? If you see anything, tell me. Guys, if you see anything, put it down in the comments. What's up, nigga?
Hi.
Oh, here.
So what? Let's find this baby bird and trap it in a box so we can put it to its family. We saw a baby bird that can't fly to go with its mom. Cool. I heard like a bird sheep.
Oh.
No, it's not him. Wait a minute.
Has to be over there because why would the bird go over there?
Yeah, let's go. Alright, we cut this camera.
No. Keep it on.
No,
Keep it.
No, wait. Let's go.